Smile if you have a demon inside of you.
Demon syndrome.
Bro is higher than the bills. Demons.
Who thinks me and Gert will be a good couple?
No!
А бошки дымятся, подружки скучают.
Her French kiss includes Belgium.
Dentist stream.
More like the entire Western Front in both world wars.
Serious, you fat piece of shit!
One French kiss, and she wipes out whole Europe.
Why he low-key fucking it up, though.
Ninja Man!
I really feel sorry for Robin if Batman molested him.
Oh, this is the most energetic ninja on the planet!
Calm down, Jamal. For the fact you learned that move.
Bro just randomly emoting, but all that shit hitting.
Blood got possessed by the ghost of Adam Vest.
3 different Japanese style bow. Casual bow, never do this towards a Japanese. Proper bow, use this one instead. Self-summer style bow, when I want to truly express my gratitude.
Sensei, you require a bra.
Sensei, your powerful body is breaking through your shirt.
Sensei, you've amassed so much chakra that it appears to be leaking off of you. Could you please stop hitting me in the head with your head?
Huh? Who the hell is this guy? Why is he like a representation of Japan?
Me at 16 practicing an advanced dramatic monologue about finding out I'm adopted.
What? Is this some kind of joke? You're acting weird. Good one, Mom and Dad.
First lesbian male.
Made of pre-cum.
Most documented human in history.
Are you a parent's siblings?
Oh, brother!
If pencil could speak.
You at 16 practicing an advanced monologue about finding out you were made of pre-cam.
You're making out with my girlfriend. Hey, is that your girlfriend?
Me, obviously that's my girlfriend.
But please, Daddy, I want you so bad. Yeah, are you serious? I would never cheat on my Pookie Bear. Continues making out aggressively.
I think his girlfriend is a Big Mac.
Pookie Bear! What the big?
Is he eating her face?
Dude looked like he's eating a corn dog with no hands, LOL.
The same dude has an OnlyFans BTW.
Oh my God, no way.
No!
This comment killed me. There's a fake in translation.
It's Dafuku that's get me.
With me, the Holy Shito.
Daddy, chill.
How'd he get in that position in the first place?
I guess he was closer to the ground a little too much, without shirt. There was a crab close to his nipples, and well...
DW, bro. He needs milk to stay alive, be a good mom.
No!
If a man and a woman had a child.
Two-Face 2099.
How it feels to be non-binary.
No, welcome back, Lil Peep.
The real meaning of gender fluid.
Enough internet for today.
I'm gonna eat my entire controller. One bite. Oh, that tasted like a tilted towers!
Epic win! You touched my cousin in 2006!
Aren't you the guy who touched a kid in 2006?
I'm the cousin he touched.
I swear you touched my sisters, uncle, mums, cats, aunties, goldfish, brothers, cousins.
2006.
Ah, yes, the great touching in 2006. We all saw the news, bruh.
I'll never forget 2006.
Biblically accuracy of gluttony.
It's all yours, bro.
Biggest burritos in the world. Life after high school.
Literally the physical embodiment of the deadly sin of greed.
Anime faces you must know how to make. Back. Oi, oi, oi. Back. Back. Come inside. Nani?
Was it worth the 41 likes?
Grown adult BTW.
Please stop, bro.
Trump won't affect the child. The child.
Cringe to the core. That was painful to watch.
Don't aside for seeing this insane real.
Jim can't change you.
Before versus before.
2 months gooning. Yeah, boy.
Are you restarted?
When nipples gets aura.
I forgot to transform.
Bro is 67 pounds and 41 centimeter tall.
Change the gym.
Are coming at me full speed. Me. Shut my eyes and lets out a smile. I just want to meet X and Juice.
It's my pad's turn, run. Red.
Health is cornea.
Me outside. Me inside.
Huh?
My anger is turning the toilet bowl brown. Green is healthier.
POV bullies bully the wrong kid.
Stop bullying me. Loser, loser. Stop bullying me and throwing cans at me. Loser. You'll never amount to anything in life. Stop.
3K. What is that kid saying? What did you name? 3.
I dropped my phone and I could not get it, and this played for like 10 minutes.
Whoa, I would not mess with this guy.
Throws a can. What a sound effect.
We need to bring back bullying. Find this guy, Mum, so we can teach her.
TF is Steve on Vro.
Finish him.
I know his breath stinks.
Uh-oh. Stinky.
Get out.
See you next time.